So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Superior OS based on Android 13. So the prerequisites are: you need to have an unlocked bootloader, you need to stay on MIUI, you need to remove your password and security, and then you need to remove your MI account, and you'll have to remove your Google accounts. Once all of them are done, you need to have these two files in your internal storage, which is the ROM zip and the firmware part, and you need to have TWRP installed. So once you have all of them done, we can reboot into recovery by powering off the phone. So once your recovery is booted, we can head into wipe, advanced wipe, and then clear the double card cache. Once that is done, we can go to install, and then we'll install the firmware first, uncheck automatically reflash TWRP. So once that is done, we can go to home, install, and then we can install the ROM. You need to check automatically reflash TWRP. So then try to install. So once the flashing is done, we can check if we can ignore the fail to mount errors, and the recovery is also flashed. So we can head into reboot and then click on recovery. So once your recovery is booted, we can head into wipe, format data, and then type in yes. If your format data is successful, you can reboot the system. So here we go, the ROM is booted. Let's get started. Here we go, the ROM is booted. So let's head into the camera app. We have the MIUI stock camera. We have HDR in photo, we have portrait, night mode, and 48MP, and the Alicia cam is getting downloaded. We have watermark, and under video we have 4K 30fps but not 60. We also have Dolby Atmos pre-installed, so you can change the Dolby Atmos to music, movies, or custom. And we also have game space. The game space has many features like block full event, stay awake, lock gesture, disable heads up notifications, and disable USB debugging. I can add games. And we have the Superior walls. This is the wallpapers for Superior OS. So no stutter. And this is GApps version. And we have absolutely no stutter in this also. And the UI looks cool. Let's head into settings. The Android version is 13. And the kernel version they're using is no kernel. July 37th update. Now let's head into Superior Lab. Under status bar we have network traffic indicator, and status bar items we can add all these or remove all these. We can remove do not disturb, we can remove mute. As you can see, there's an effect in the top. Under battery styles we have circle, portrait, dotted, text, but portrait is best. The battery percentage is inside the icon, or we can let's just stay hidden. Bluetooth battery status, it displays the battery status for a connected Bluetooth device if available. We have display 4G icon instead of LTE. Under quick settings we have vibrate on touch, data usage, quick QoS pull down, battery slider, etc. In navigation bar we have 2 button, 3 button, or gesture navigation. Under gestures we have this lift on check phone, and show ambient display, prevent ringing, it will vibrate instead of ringing. Lock screen, double tap anywhere on the lock screen to put the device to sleep. And status bar, we can double tap on the status bar to put the device to sleep. Under power menu we have enable advanced restart, which will give you system recovery, bootloader, and system UI. Disable power menu on lock screen. this will disable the power menu on the secure lock screens. Under themes we have Monet engine. Let's turn it on. Under we can change the fonts. Let's keep the font to this. We can change the icon pack. I don't think it had effect. I mean, yes, it had effect. Let's change the. We can change them separately. You can also change the icon shape. So the icon shapes are changed. Under notifications we have annoying notifications. Display sound vibration for notifications when the screen is on. Make heads up less annoying. Shows heads up only for dial-up or messenger app. Under miscellaneous we have ripple effect or ignore Windows secure flags. And that's it. Now let me add the Geekbench 6 and CPU throttle to this game space. Let me close all applications and open Geekbench 6 and then test. So we have a single core of 1238 and a multi-core of 3400. So let's go ahead and do the CPU throttling test. So we've run the test for almost 1 minute and we have a stable of 90%, which is pretty good. If this video helped you on how to install Superior OS, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.